Hey Ron, this is Daniel from Josh and Danny Seo. So we're going to take a quick look at your website, see what's going on, take a look at the back end, and see what we can come up with. So right off the bat, Real and Rejuvenating, I guess, painting. I'm not seeing any logo. Definitely log into Canva. It's free and create yourself one for free, and you can make some really cool things there too. These guys over here are great. I would probably have them all the way on the bottom of the website. Home, about, services offered, testimonials is great. You probably have them as drop-down menus. Contact us. I think gallery and testimonials could be just lopped into one. Otherwise, it's fine. I would have your number up here. You want people to get on here and call you as quick as possible. But just going through your website, there's nothing here. No content. Maybe have 10 words throughout the entire thing. And that's a huge problem. Google really wants content. If there's no content on here, how are you going to rank for anything? How are you going to, how's Google going to know what words to use for people who are searching for your services to put them in front of you? Well, let's take a look at the back end, right? So you do have backlinks and referring domains. You have a UR rating of 5, for realandrejuvenating.com, and you have a DR rating of zero point 0.4, which is the trust Google gives you. Now, you want these guys to be in the 30s with a ratio of 1 to 1. Now, backlinks play a huge role in that. A backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else, somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when it comes back to you. So you definitely want to get those up there, and obviously not all are created equal. Some of them are more spammy than others, such as like BuzzFeed or Wikipedia. So you definitely don't want those. But then we also have to look at organic keywords, right? So what are you ranking for that if somebody is searching for that, you'll pop up, right? So what is that one organic keyword you're looking for? It's not. It's numbers. It's random numbers, and it's a picture. Well, it's not a picture. It's in the gallery section. So no one is going to be searching for that. So you're not going to get anyone to your website and you have zero traffic. So let's take a look at what an organic keyword is. An organic keyword is what somebody is putting into Google to find what they're looking for. So let's say me, right? I'm looking for a painter in Philadelphia. I'm going to be very specific about it. So right off the bat, I scroll down. I have the ad over here, which, I particularly skip. But then we have three of these different GMPs, Google My Business Profiles. Very important to get them because about 30 to 40% of all people will click on one of these three guys here. So, like I said, very important. And then we have our organic search. Anyone can write over here as long as you're doing everything correctly. We have Yelp as number one. People kind of skip over, and then we're going to go to paintphilly.com. Now, this is not even a front page, right? This is a back page, but we're going to go to them anyway, see what we got. So, Paint Philadelphia is their name. Home, our story services. See, they're all drop down menus. They even have a blog, which actually might hit against them, but overall, uh, numbers in the top left corner. These guys should put all the way on the bottom, but that's fine. Just scrolling through, estimate what our people have to say. Just a lot about, okay, here we go, indoor painting. And they talk about exactly what it is they do. Um, right, interior painting, drywall. So stuff we're looking for is keywords that they have in here, right? So like, let's see if I can spot one. Uh, okay, I'm looking. I'm not spotting one yet. But painting companies in Philadelphia, right? So or in the Philadelphia area. That could be considered a keyword, but they're talking about their services. They have content, which is exactly what you do want to see on people's website. And this is what Google is looking for. These are the different areas that they've serviced. I think it's a little overkill for them to put that there. Most people just kind of roll their eyes at that. But what sets them apart about Philadelphia, PA? I don't know why they have an about Philadelphia, PA. But anyway, I got the Liberty Bell, Rocky, and then I don't even know why this is here. Anyway, book an estimate, get your free estimate, all that stuff is here. So as you can see, they have a lot of content, but let's take a look at the back end, see what's going on over here. So honestly, back end, not looking too hot either. They have a UR rating of 14 and then a DR rating of 7. They don't even have a lot of backlinks, but again, this is a back page. If we were to actually look at the big page itself, it would be a lot more than that, I suspect. But let's actually find out. Well, they do have 143 organic keywords with 443. Actually, no, I wanted not to exact URL. I'm going to do domain without subdomains. So I'm going to try and get everything. And let's see if that really changes much. But anyway, while that's loading, let's go over to the organic keywords, see what they have on their website, see what they're ranking for, and kind of give us an idea of how to move forward. So big thing I'm going to be looking for is keyword volume of how many people search for that a month, the traffic they're getting, the position they're in. So Philadelphia, Painters Philadelphia is what I typed in. There's 1,000 people a month who search for that, and 117 are coming to his website, and he's in position 4. So he's in the perfect position to be getting that. As you can see, all of these are very keyword specific. They're about a painter, they're about a service in a specific area. So that's definitely what you want. And so you can see there's a large volume for all of these, and he's getting a lot of the traffic there. I mean, he's also in the position to receive that traffic as well. So he's doing really well. I don't know why it's highlighting everything. But how does this really help you out? Let's see if it went to, oh, see, this is the full, right? Painters Philly, paintphilly.com, right? This is without the back end over there. 740 backlinks, 235 referring domains, 1,400 different keywords, right? Let's say what the 1,400 are. But he is pulling in 613 organic traffic through his website. If he was doing it correctly, it should be more. I think a ratio of like keywords is, you should have, let's say maybe 10 keywords, 20 people coming to your website, stuff like that. But see, he's getting a lot of people to his website through that. Um, he probably does have. See, he's even going out to farther areas, Bucks County, painters in PA, which is a foolish thing to search for because anyone in PA can search for that or put that in there. But anyway, how does this really help you guys out, Ron? All you got to do is get yourself some backlinks, some good ones, right? Find the ones he used. These 245 that are referring domains. They're probably going to be decent. Find out the really good ones in there. Take them for yourself so you can start ranking a lot higher. If you're trying to reach out to multiple different areas, we got to get those keywords in there as well. So step one, backlink. Step two, we need to get content on your pages, right? You have very little content. Remember, a website is a tool. If you're going to have one and you're not going to utilize it correctly, it's a waste, in a way, a waste of space. And then you need organic keywords in there as well. Going for the services that people are going to type into Google. People are lazy. Think like them. Painters Philadelphia. Boom. All right, you're going to get so many different searches for that. Maybe go for something like Philadelphia Painters or something like that. So just kind of thinking like that, get those organic keywords in, and you should be fine. But anyway, that's all I got. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, if you have any feedback, I would definitely like to know. You guys have a good one. Bye.